Hey there, it's Stone here with Wood and Stone. We're launching a new series over on YouTube called Toolbox Basics, and I'm going to be walking through all of the tools one by one. We all started out not knowing what the tools are and then worked our way forward. Personally, when I first started out, I was 5 years old. I was given a sanding block and a broom and a trash bag, probably because that's what my dad would trust me with to not ruin anything and stay quiet. But I didn't know how to read a tape measure at one point, so that'll be one of the tools that we talk about. I didn't know what any of these tools are in front of me at one point, so dead blow hammer, mallet, rubber mallet, non-marring hammer, combo squares, rat tail file, pole saws, keyhole saws. What's the difference between a flat bar, wonder bar, and a cat's paw? Why do they look the same? Why are there so many different types of squares and none of them are the shape of a square? All these kinds of things that you know now, or that as you've done a lot of work in a wood shop, you know, but you don't know when you're starting. And I had a lot of students that were saying they were nervous to ask because they didn't want to get picked on about it. But now you can just watch it on YouTube, and we're going to start out with the hand tools and stuff that I have in my bag, and then we'll get into lathes and band saws and drill presses and table saws, just because I want you to get started and not feel nervous about getting started and not be embarrassed about asking those questions. So ask YouTube, come over to our channel, like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along. And if you need me to do more videos on specific tools, let me know and we'll get them in here. Have a good day.